In front of me is Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Passwords, Passkeys and Accounts. Now select Open under Google. Hit Google Password Manager and select Add Password. Then input all of those informations. When you finished, to save your password, hit Save at the top right corner. Then wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!